Hey, you are you a freelancer and finding it very difficult to get offers on Fiverr and Upwork because of the high competition? Give me 2 minutes, let me show you three freelancing new platforms that can give you offers without any work history or experience. Number one on my list is Daily Remote. Here up to 80,000 people are getting remote jobs daily online without any work experience and job history. This platform is entirely new and has very low competition, whereby you can get free jobs. You can get jobs such as freelance writer, managing editor, product relations manager, SEO content manager, senior accountant, senior software engineer, senior analytics engineer, executive assistant, copy lead, podcast, regional nurse manager. Some of these companies also offer relocation plans in case you want to relocate and work on site. Number two on my list is ServiceCape. This is a freelancing platform which is entirely new and hot in the market right now. It is a perfect match for content writers, content editors, translators of different languages, and also graphic designers, where you can get up to 96,000 clients daily from the comfort of your home, and these clients are ready to pay thousands of dollars for your services. TubeBuddy is a completely free freelancing website whereby top companies in the world hire professionals for their services. They hire developers for their services, they hire designers, they have freelance experts, they hire finance experts, they hire project managers, and even product managers for their services. And here on TubeBuddy, the payment platform is very swift and easy. You can get paid from anywhere in the world, working from home, and it's completely free. And if you like this video, kindly hit the subscription button down below and follow us on all our social media handles at Dave Finance to get free notifications of videos on how to make more money from the comfort of your home with just a smartphone and a stable internet connection. Until then, see you in the next video. Peace.